Here I am, new adventure. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see in the title, your girl has moved on. Do you hear the echo? Hello? Hello? Huh? What? Oh, if you haven't been watching my vlogs or you're new to my channel, then I've been talking about how I wanted to move and how I was moving, you know, giving little hints here and there. And I'm here. I moved. Y'all know a year ago I did my first apartment, my luxury skyrise apartment tour, and I never got to finishing the fully furnished tour because I just kind of stopped. But I plan to for this one. Just give me some time. But I plan to, definitely. So I'm just not even gonna talk no more. Let's just get straight into the video. So we're gonna start with the door. We just have the door right here. And then we have like this little area. I don't know what I'm gonna make this yet. Look at these floors, y'all. The floors are really giving. Like, yes. The living room right here. The dining area right here. And then here is the kitchen. Let me put some light in here. So here is the kitchen. I didn't know at first if I liked the kitchen or not, but I started to love it. It's actually a really pretty color. Everything is really nice in here and it's giving grown woman. Here on the side of the island, we just have some little drawers and cabinets. Got the sink, the stove, more cabinets, microwave, refrigerator, and all of that. And then we'll get back here. Here is the pantry. And then right here is like the coat closet. And here is the garage, two-car garage. So now we're gonna walk back here. The kitchen and stuff is right here. So we're gonna walk to the back. And here is like an office room. So most likely I will be setting up my office here and filming in here. I love these doors, y'all. Very much office vibes. So yes, this is really cute. This is where I will be working when I'm doing orders, filming, all of that. And it also has a really cute closet in here that I can put, you know, my luxury items, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out. And across from the office area, here is a bathroom, a full bath. I don't know if I'm really fond of orange light. I might change those. But it has a little cabinet right here. Across from this bathroom is the backyard. It's a pretty big backyard. I know my dog is going to love it out here. She's gonna be running around everywhere. So that is it for the downstairs area. Now we're gonna go upstairs. So one thing I don't like is the carpets on the stairs, y'all. But that can always be fixed. Change it to tile, but for now, it's just gonna be carpet. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the right, and right here is another full bath. Shower tub, kind of like the one downstairs. And then it's a closet right here. Maybe I'll put some towels and, you know, stuff in this closet. And then here is one room. This is not the master bedroom, but this is a pretty big room. Inside this room is a walk-in closet. Okay. So that is it in this room, and we're going to go to the left of the staircase. Here is the laundry room. It already has the washer and dryer. And then right here is like a little chill area, game room. It's a big space. And then over here is the master bedroom. To my right is the closet. Y'all, come on now. This closet is life. Oh yes. Across from the closet is the bathroom. I love this bathroom, y'all. It's so elegant. The tub, look at the shower. This shower is so cute. And it has a little place where I can sit down. So now I can sit down and shave my legs and stuff. And then across from the shower is the toilet. This part is so cute to me. I can put a cute chair here. So basically this is where I'll be doing my makeup and stuff. But I'm still gonna have my vanity. I'm probably gonna put it in the office room. But this is really cute if I wanna get ready in the bathroom. I have this little section right here. Now to the master bedroom. It's kind of going long ways. I'm not sure how I want to set up everything. I think I'm gonna put my bed over here. I think I'm gonna have everything going this way. Right here is a patio, y'all. I have a whole patio out here, y'all. A whole patio outside of my room. I cannot wait to get this decorated. So y'all, this is my new home. It's not my forever home or it's not my dream home, but it's something new and bigger like I wanted. I wanted more space and stuff like that. So here I am, new adventure. I'm gonna try to give y'all a lot of content, moving in, you know, getting stuff set up and everything. It's super cute, I love it. I love it. I love it, for real. That is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.